Welcome to grade 4 supplementary robot expo. Okay, it's an interesting lesson. Before that, we remember something. When you visit some interesting places with your family, when you gone somewhere where you can forget particular place, for example museum, exhibition, like that, mostly you talk about the places to your friends and discuss with the matter. In this lesson also same like that. In this lesson, Anita is a main character. Anita was very happy because he gone some place. She got some idea about her future plan. Okay, the name of the lesson, Robot Expo. Do you know the meaning of expo? Expo means exhibition. Expo means exhibition. Okay, let's get into the lesson. Anita meet her friends and shares her experience of a robot expo. What does she shares? She shares her experience of a robot expo. Friends, hi, you look excited. Anything special? Anita's friends asked to Anita. Anita said, yes, I went to the robot expo yesterday. I was so excited seeing all the robots. Friends, they want more detail about the robot expo, so they ask. Anita said, a humanoid welcomed me in the hall. Who welcomed? Humanoid. Do you know the meaning of humanoid? Humanoid means something that looks like a human. A robot that looks like a human. It even knew my name. Okay, the robot knew Anita's name and Anita said, I was so surprised and shocked that I should there frozen. Friends, wow! Anita, I'm just getting started. A robot just looked at me and named the things I had with me. Okay, Anita had a lot of things with her. The robot said the thing's name, so she shocked. Friends, amazing. It must have scanned you with its eyes. Anita said. The next robot danced for the song played by the visitors. I suddenly found a butterfly sitting on my shoulder. Butterfly sitting on my shoulder. She felt someone is sitting. So, what is that? A butterfly. To my surprise, it was a robot. The butterfly is one of the robot. There were robots of ant and fish too. Okay, we know only human robot, but she saw there ant robot, fish robot, and then butterfly robot also. Friends, an ant robot? Wow! Anita said. I saw a robot cooking dishes and serving all. It served me an omelette. What the robot served to her? Omelette. Very good. Don't we all wish for a cook robot at home? In our home also this type of robot have means how do you feel? We feel happy, no? Like that friends asked. Anita. Adding to my excitement, a robot collected all dropped and empty water bottle into the dustbin. Then it advised all of us to use dustbin. Okay, the robot advised to us. We must use dustbin in our home and then all the places. Like that the robot advised. Anita. Then there were a robot that asked me, "Do you want to make a robot?" I eagerly nodded my head and said, "Yes, but I don't know how to make it." It replied, "Don't worry, I will help you." Then, now Anita started to make a robot. Let us make a robot that can run. There are 3 main parts in this robot. How many parts? 3 main parts. How many parts? 3 main parts. First is the controller. First one is the controller. It acts as a brain. So controller, first one is a brain. It's act as a brain. Controller act as a brain. Second is the mechanical parts. Second is a mechanical parts that will help the robot move. Mechanical parts will help the robot move. Third is a sensors that will help to robot sense wall and other things on its way so that it does not crash into these objects. All these parts work together to make the robot run. Then I put these 3 parts together with the robot and make a robot myself. This expo has made me really interesting in robots. I am planning to make more robots. Will you all join me? Anita said. Friends, we would love to. Okay. Now the supplementary is over. Read once again. 1 or 2 times you must read this supplementary. Take a reading practice. Thank you.